Hello coffee lovers, welcome back. In a previous video clip, I shared with you how to make 3 long black recipes using espresso shots. Today, I am going to share with you the same 3 drinks. The recipe is adjusted depending on the type of coffee and the brewing methods that we use. For this video tutorial, I am going to use cold brew coffee. Now, how did I make this cold brew? Similar to what I've already shown you in my previous videos, I use espresso roast, which is really strong, and then I steep this. This one is exactly 24 hours. It's going to be really strong and I'm sure refreshing. Let's start with our classic long black. For this, I am going to need my cold brew, and also I would like it to be a little bit sweeter, so I'm going to add my own homemade clear sugar syrup and then water. You really want to fill it up to the top with ice. I'm going to use 1 ounce of sugar syrup, add 2 ounces of plain water. Stir it a bit and then pour it into your glass of ice. This time I am going to try if I can make the 2 layers. Beautiful layered iced long black. So this is our classic iced long black. Let's just garnish it with a little bit of mint, and I'm feeling a bit decadent. I'm going to put strawberry. Classic iced long black. Next it is top of the morning long black. This is long black with orange. A glass full of ice, orange juice, and then once again our cold brew. We are also going to use 3 ounces of cold brew. So let's put it here, 3 ounces, and we are ready to assemble our drink. Depending on how sweet or sour your orange is, you might need to put a little bit of sweetener. For those that do not like to add any sweetener, that's also fine. So we start with putting our freshly squeezed orange juice at the bottom of the cup. And then we are going to pour our cold brew on top. I'm using a coffee scoop here. I'm using the back of it to pour my espresso so that it will regulate the flow into the cup and you'll get that separate layers. Beautiful. And to make it a little bit more premium, I'm going to add some freshly cut or slices of orange. And the way I do it is I just cut it with a little bit of a triangular strip there so that I can put it right on top and then put my straw in. And this is your top of the morning iced long black with orange. Looks so delicious. 2 down, 1 more to go. For the third one, I'm going to call this sundowner. It's going to be coconut with our cold brew coffee. So iced long black coconut, to use 3 ounces of our cold brew. Exactly the same recipe for all 3 of them. Using 1/2 cup of coconut juice with coconut meat. So once again, that's 1/2 cup, and then we are going to pour our cold brew on top. Same process, we are going to use the back of a coffee scoop to regulate the flow of our coffee. And you get that beautiful iced long black coconut. And to make it more premium, we are going to put some more coconut meat on top. Now this will be simply irresistible. And there you have your iced long black coconut. So you've got 3 deliciously looking iced long black. But this time I would like you to find out from someone who is going to be my guest taster today. So this is Miss Pon. Hello.
Hi. Start with it one. This one look like have like two sections like black and orange. This look good, and the top is have piece of orange, a bit sour and sweet from orange, and a bit bitter from. I think it's a good combination, and I can smell the orange when I drink it. This one is good. It's like I can feel more coffee when I drink this one.
That's good.
Oh, strawberry look good. This one is good.
Okay, so what is your favorite among the three?
For me, my favorite, I go with this because like I usually drink it. But this one is like my second favorite. Okay, this one is like good. Good for a person who like coffee.
Okay. Okay, thank you very much.
Hi.
Now, she wasn't so impressed with the coconut. Now let me just stir it up a little bit. Now I think I know what she means. This one tastes of coffee, stronger coffee than the coconut, because maybe the coconut that I use is not sweet enough. So that's what I was saying when I mentioned that coconut could be quite tricky because some coconut are not so sweet, or they could also be bitter. So bitter with bitter, it might not be good. But of course with cold brew, the bitterness is reduced. So you might wish to taste your coconut before you serve it and then mix it with your cold brew. And if necessary, you may also add some coconut syrup or just plain sugar syrup. Well, there you go, 3 different types of iced long black using cold brew. I hope that you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed doing it and trying the drinks. So that's all for today. I'll see you again in my next video tutorial. In the meantime, stay safe, take care, thank you for watching, and ciao for now.